When you live in the fast lane and your only desire is to go even faster, every move matters. Every second counts. You need something you can trust to get the job done. Introducing new line of best-in-class air impact wrenches by GROZ. With the twin hammer technology, two fully forged hammers strike alternatively to produce a balanced and powerful output. Full power in reverse generates a whopping 1492 Newton meter with a weight of just 1.9 kgs. Composite material construction with ergonomic TPR grip guarantees ultimate comfort and fatigue-free usage. The rear exhaust system has a downward airflow which directs air away from the job and the operator, ensuring higher safety. A preferred feature like the single-hand forward-reverse switch makes this impact wrench an ideal tool for every automotive and industrial user. When time is of prime essence and winning is the only option, you need a GROZ impact wrench to get the job done.